Monastery. UNESCO World Heritage Site, Vatican City. Option A. Number third is Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat, built in the 12th century, is the largest Hindu temple complex in the world, situated at Angkor, Cambodia. It has remained a significant religious center, first for Hindus dedicated to god Vishnu, then Buddhists. It is a symbol of Cambodia, appearing on its national flag. Angkor Wat is a temple complex in Cambodia and is the largest religious monument in the world, on a site measuring 162.6 hectares. Originally constructed as a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu for the Khmer Empire, it was gradually transformed into a Buddhist temple towards the end of the 12th century. As such, it is also described as Hindu-Buddhist temple. It was built by the Khmer king Suryavarman in the early 12th century in Vasodapura, Khmer, present-day Angkor, the capital of the Khmer Empire, as a state temple and eventual mausoleum, breaking from the Shaiva tradition of the previous kings. Angkor Wat was instead dedicated to Vishnu as the best preserved temple at the site. It is the only one to have remained a significant religious center since its foundation. The temple is at the top of the high classical style of Khmer. So this is the figure of Angkor Wat temple, earlier a Hindu temple dedicated to god Vishnu. Now Buddhists are doing their prayers in the same temple. Angkor Wat combines two basic plans of Khmer temple architecture: the Temple Mountain and the later Galleried Temple. It is designed to represent Mount Meru, home of the Devas in the Hindu mythology. Within a moat more than 5 kilometers, 3 miles long, and an outer wall 3.6 kilometers, 2.2 miles long, are three rectangular galleries, each raised above the next. At the center of the temple stands a quinquenix of towers. Unlike most Angkorian temples, Angkor Wat is oriented to the west. Scholars are divided as to the significance of this. The temple is admired for the grandeur and harmony of the architecture, its extensive bas reliefs, and for the numerous devatas adorning its walls. So again, we can say that Angkor Wat is a Hindu temple complex which was built in 12th century in Angkor, Cambodia, and which was dedicated to the Lord Vishnu. Now Buddhists are using it. Next is Dilwara temples. Dilwara temples or Dilwara temples. 60 miles west of Udaipur, high in the hills at the lakeside town of Mount Abu, are some of the world's most beautifully carved Jain temples. This white marble temple is a unique religious edifice of the Jains. So it is a Jain temple located about 2:1 by 2.5 kilometers from the Mount Abu settlement, Rajasthan's only hill station. These Jain temples were built by Vimal Shah and designated as Vastupola, Jain minister of Dholka between the 11th and 16th centuries, and are famous for their use of white marble and intricate marble carvings. They are a pilgrimage place of the Jains and a popular general tourist attraction. Although Jains built many temples at other places in Rajasthan, the Dilawar temple are believed to be the most impressive among all of them. So this is the figure of this Jain temple, or we can say Dilwara temple. Next is Jagannath temple. Puri is one of the Hinduism's most important pilgrimage destinations. This is an abode of Lord Vishnu. The grand temple tower is 175 feet tall. The Lord, along with his sister and brother, are represented by brightly painted wooden images. The annual Rath Yatra is spectacular with lakhs and lakhs of devotees thronging to the place. The Sri Jagannath Temple of Puri is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Vishnu in Puri in the state of Odisha, on the eastern coast of India. The original temple was built by King Indradyumna in Satya Yuga. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on site of an earlier temple and began by King Anantavarman Kodaganga Diva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. Sri Jagannath Temple at Puri.